Hi, I'm Helen Thompson, a childcare educator and baby massage instructor, and I'd like to welcome you to First Time Mums Chat. If you're a new mum navigating those early months when exhaustion hits hard and bedtime feels more like a battle than a blessing, you're certainly not alone. You've come such a long way. Truly, you're learning, you're growing, and you're showing up for your little one every single day. That's something to be proud of. You're doing an amazing job, even if it doesn't always feel that way. This podcast is here to help you feel calmer, more confident, and more connected as you learn to understand your baby's needs. Every couple of weeks, I share gentle insights and practical tools to help you build rhythms that soothe, ease those tough moments, and create peaceful connection between you and your baby. And that's exactly what we're exploring today. When your baby's gums ache or bedtime turns into tears instead of peace, do you ever find yourself whispering, "Why won't you just settle?" You've rocked, you've fed, you've walked the hallway for what feels like forever, and still those little eyes just won't close. It's okay. You're not doing anything wrong. Your baby's body and their senses are simply working through a lot. So today, I'm sharing 5 soothing techniques that help your baby feel safe, settle more easily, and find their calm again. They're gentle, they're natural, and they're all rooted in connection. So let's begin. Welcome new mums and mums-to-be. Parenting can feel overwhelming, especially in today's fast-paced world where support may feel out of reach. I'm Helen Thompson, childcare educator and baby massage instructor, and I created First Time Mums Chat to be your companion through this incredible journey. Since 2021, I've been here to share practical, holistic insights designed to make those first months, especially from 4 weeks to 10 months, just a bit easier. Through this podcast, I help you feel more connected to your baby while easing ups and downs of early motherhood. Join me and a lineup of amazing experts as we tackle your biggest questions, share real stories and other advice to help you step confidently into motherhood. Motherhood can be challenging, but you don't have to do it alone. Let's dive in and embrace this journey together. Before we begin, please remember that this podcast is for informational purposes only, and it is not a substitute for medical advice. If you have any concerns about your or your baby's health, please consult a qualified medical professional. Technique 1. Reading their cues. Before I start that, awareness before action is so important. Sometimes fussing is teasing. You might notice drooling, chewing, flushed cheeks. Other times it's overstimulation. Too much sound, too many faces, too much happening. When babies are teasing, tension builds along the jaw and cheeks, making relaxation difficult. And when they're overstimulated or overtired, their nervous system becomes flooded. They don't yet know how to switch off. When we notice these signals early, we can respond before things build up. You can gently rub the jawline in small, slow circles and then squeeze each tiny toe, one at a time. This uses reflexology. The toes link energetically to the gums and the teeth, and it can feel incredibly soothing during teasing. And as you do this, your voice says, "It's okay. I'm here. You can rest. You can relax." Let's go on to technique 2. Touch and breath together. Your nervous system teaches theirs. Your hands are your baby's anchor. Place your fingertips along your baby's jawline and move slowly towards the chin. Small, gentle, unhurried circles. Then soften the cheeks from the nose outward. And now breathe. A slow inhale and a long, soft exhale. Your baby's nervous system copies yours. You can also squeeze each toe again here. It helps release tension through the whole body. I've done this on numerous occasions myself, and I've seen how the simple process of breathing gently can soothe your baby. It helps them begin to learn what calm breathing feels like in their own body. This moment of shared breath says, we are safe, we can slow down now. Now, going on to technique 3, your voice as comfort. You don't need to sing perfectly. You don't need the right lullaby. Your baby responds to your voice, its warmth, rhythm, and familiarity. You might want to hum softly, sing a slow, simple tune, or read a gentle story in a quiet, steady tone. You can do this on their back as you are rubbing their back gently, whatever works for you. What your baby hears is you belong, you are safe, and I am here. Your voice is so important here. It's their home. It's their comfort. So now we're going on to technique 4, back massage and safety through story. I've already mentioned this before, but I'm going to go more deeply into this. We're going to go into deep settling and emotional grounding. So lay your baby comfortably and place one warm hand on their back. Using your other hand, make slow circular movements. Smooth, steady, never patting at this stage. And speak softly. You can say whatever you like, but here's a little guide. Here we are, just you and me. Your body relaxing, your breath softening. The world feels gentle right now. This is not a story with characters or a plot. It is a story of the present moment shared between your hearts, your hands, and your voice. That equals safety, grounding, and release. And that's what you want. So now the last technique. It is your calm. Guess what? Your calm equals their calm. You are their medicine. If your baby doesn't settle immediately, it does not mean you're doing it wrong. Your baby is learning calm through your presence. Every slow breath you take, every gentle movement, every quiet word teaches your baby calm is safe, love is steady, your arms are home. You are already doing so beautifully. If you like a little support getting started, I've created a free baby massage routines guide that walks you through these soothing strokes. You can download it at mybabymassage.net/routines. At this stage, they're small, loving movements, making such a difference for your baby and for you. Thank you so much for joining me on First Time Mums Chat. I hope today's episode helped you feel inspired to bring a little more calm and confidence into your baby's bedtime routine. If you found this episode helpful, please follow or subscribe to the podcast and leave a quick rating or review. It really helps other mums find First Time Mums Chat. Until next time, take a deep breath, trust your instincts, and remember, even on the hardest nights, you're doing a beautiful job. You've come this far. You're amazing.